Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how we could secure our network traffic using the inbound and outbound routes. So let's start. To do that we have to log into our Azure portal first. Then second step is we have to create our virtual machine. Process I already showed you from my different videos, so I'm showing you once again because in this tutorial you have to do it everything in a sequential process. So in this virtual machine I'm going to create this virtual machine. We have to create our resource group because there is no resource group available. Secure. Now we are going to give the name of our virtual machine, the region, Azure user. We are putting the password. If you have license you can mark it. Then you can add additional disk. For the time being we choose 4 GB additional hard disk. Then we are moving to the network, so we are keeping it same as before, just then moving to the management. One thing, yeah, manage network security group. So you can use the none value. Then we are moving to the management, put diagnostics, we are disabling it. And now we are going to advance, keep the thing same as it is. Then tags, if you want you can put a tag name here. Now we are going to review. If everything going good, it will show validity pass. So we have already passed the validation. Now we are going to create. It will take a couple of minutes to deploy our virtual machine. Now deployment is in progress. We have to take some minutes. We have to wait. So our virtual machine is ready. Now we are going to the resource. So our virtual machine is prepared. Now I'm going to the networking section. Now here we have to go review our inbound port rules. These are coming. So it shows that this network interface does not contain network security group. So and right now we have to create, it is the second step actually, we have to create a network security group. So to do that we have to go to our home and we have to search for network security groups. We are clicking on it. Then we are going to create. Subscription is our current subscription, and as you secure, this is the group we created. Now we are naming our security group my network security group secure. Okay. Other things we can remain the same. Now we are going to review. So our validation is passed. We are going to create our network security group. So right now we are going to the resource. Then in this setting there is a network interface section. So here if we click on associate, we have seen our test VM is here. Okay. Then we are going to click on OK. It is associating our VM. It's added. Now the third task is to configure an inbound security port rule to allow a remote desktop protocol. So to do that, first let me show one thing. So this is our VM. We are going to click on connect. So in this way actually we are connecting our virtual machines, right? I have seen the things, showed the things in many ways. So we are trying to attempt to connect it. If we click on it, and asks for connecting. see these types of message, because this VM right now not able to connect with our remote desktop. Now we are going to our virtual machine again. In the virtual machine blade, there is a networking section, and as you have seen, there are inbound rules. So we are going to create inbound rule for our network security group. So here we are creating add an inbound port rule. This one is for my network security group. Okay. So source value any, portion should be star, destination any, extension range should be 389, should be TCP, allow, priority should be 300, allow RD. So we are creating our inbound rules. So security rule is created. What we have to do, we have to refresh this page. So as you have seen, our new inbound rule is added. So in this way, right now you can move to your VM machine and then use the connect. After downloading the RDP file, you can connect your remote virtual machine from your remote desktop and using your local desktop or laptop. Now task number 4 is to add an outbound rule, so that we can set some website which we do not have access, we do not give access to our virtual machine to enter. Okay. So here is an option, outbound port rules. So these default rules actually cannot be removed. We can add an outbound port rule here for our network security group. The same as this source any, star, destination, any, server stack, internet, and the custom port and you can terminal. TCP 29 priority 1000 yes deny internet. You've seen the configuration we have used. Right now we are going to add. We are creating our outbound rule. So if you after adding this, if you connect your VM, you won't be browsed to Microsoft.com. The page would not be showed because we have blocked the internet for that virtual machine. So using the Internet Explorer, you cannot visit the site. So in this way, we can create inbound rule and outbound rule to secure the traffic, and we can customize different security ourselves. So thank you for watching this video.